Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. As module installed, and you know the subscription and region. Run ConnectAs account to authenticate. If you manage multiple subscriptions, use GetAs subscription and SetAs context to pick one. Make sure your account has contributor or owner rights. Once done, choose a concise resource group name and an Azure region that supports your resources. You want tags ready for billing and environment. This prepares Powershell to create the group predictably and avoids permission or region mismatches later. Now run the creation command. New as resource group name, my resource group location, Eastus tag at environment equals dev, owner equals team. This executes an idempotent create. If the name already exists in your subscription, the command will return that group. Use force to skip confirmations in scripts. After the command returns, verify with GetAs resource group name, my resource group to see properties and tags. If you plan automation, wrap the call in try/catch and log the object ID and resource ID for downstream deployment steps. To complete, validate role assignments and confirm the resource group appears in the portal. Use GetAs role assignment resource group name, my resource group to ensure your identity has needed permissions. If you encounter region or quota errors, pick a nearby supported region or request quota increases in the subscription settings. For accidental test groups, remove them with remove as resource group name, my resource group force. One key troubleshooting tip. If creation fails, check ConnectAs account context and SetAs context.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.